Alright guys, just got me a 212 Predator for the Coleman. Start taking everything off, taking that engine out, putting this one in. Alright guys, I got all of the papers and most of the stickers off. I'm gonna take those later. I got an exhaust for it right there. That came off the 196. Gotta put oil in it, gas. Eventually, I don't think today, but we're gonna rig up the kill switch. Probably cut oil sensor wire. Starting to come together. Also, I forgot to mention this is a 212 Hemi. We just got the old 196 with the bent flywheel off the frame. I gotta clean that, and then we're gonna mount the Predator. And then the clutch actually didn't fit, so we're gonna have to get one. It's coming tomorrow.